You eat it every day. You were told it's healthy. Doctors once recommended it. But what if I told you this one common food, sitting in your kitchen right now, could be the silent reason your body has been betraying you? Men over 60 often blame aging for their loss of desire, performance, and drive. But what if that weakness down there had nothing to do with your age, and everything to do with what's on your plate? This video might be the most important thing you watch this year. Because today, we're exposing the hidden enemy of male strength, a food so common it rarely raises suspicion. Yet it's been linked to hormonal imbalance, lowered testosterone, blood flow disruption, and even erectile dysfunction. We'll reveal what this food is and how it affects older men specifically, the science behind how it reduces your manhood without you noticing, and what to eat instead to regain vitality, circulation, and power without pills or shame. If you're over 60 and have felt tired, disinterested, or simply not like yourself lately, don't ignore it. It could be this. Stay with us until the end. Your body and your confidence deserve the truth. Let's start here. Impotence, erectile dysfunction, loss of desire. Call it what you want. No man likes talking about it. But here's the truth. Over 50% of men over 60 experience some form of sexual dysfunction. And while doctors may blame your age, your heart, or even your stress, most will never tell you that your daily diet could be the root cause. And that's no accident. Because the food we're about to expose isn't just hidden in fast food. It's in healthy snacks. It's in meals at home. It's even in diet plans for seniors. And it's ruining the lives of older men slowly and silently. Before we reveal the food, you need to understand how male performance works after 60. Your ability to perform, mentally, emotionally, and physically, is based on 3 pillars: hormonal strength, testosterone, DHEA, dopamine; circulatory power, blood flow and nitric oxide; neurological response, nerve sensitivity, brain-to-body signaling. Any disruption to these systems can cause weak or absent erections, loss of desire, delayed response or arousal, reduced sensitivity, emotional disconnection. But here's the catch. All 3 systems are heavily influenced by your diet. Which brings us to the quiet killer most men never suspect. The silent enemy, refined seed oils, especially soybean oil. Yes, you read that right. The daily food that's slowly making older men impotent is refined vegetable oils, especially soybean oil, found in almost every processed food on your plate. Let's break it down. The scientific case against seed oils. Soybean oil, canola oil, corn oil, safflower oil, and other industrial seed oils have become dominant in the modern diet. They're marketed as heart-healthy, low in saturated fat, and ideal for cooking. But multiple studies now reveal their dark side. They disrupt testosterone production. Seed oils are rich in omega-6 fatty acids, which trigger chronic inflammation, one of the main suppressors of testosterone synthesis in the testes. They increase estrogen activity. Some components in soybean oil have been shown to increase estrogen receptors and suppress androgen expression in male animals. They damage cell membranes. These oils are unstable and oxidize easily, leading to oxidative stress and damage to the Leydig cells, where testosterone is made. They impair blood flow. By promoting systemic inflammation, they contribute to endothelial dysfunction, a key cause of poor circulation down there. They interfere with neurotransmission. A 2020 study at UC Riverside found that soybean oil not only alters hormonal genes but may even disrupt hypothalamic function, the command center for libido and arousal. And the worst part? Soybean oil is the most consumed oil in the United States. Where is soybean oil hiding in your kitchen? You might think, I don't use soybean oil at home. But it's likely hiding in dozens of things you eat every single day. Salad dressings, margarine and butter substitutes, canned soups, crackers and chips, store-bought sauces, frozen meals, mayonnaise, bread and pastries, even healthy protein bars. Check the label. If you see soybean oil, vegetable oil, hydrogenated oil, cottonseed oil, canola oil, or corn oil, it's time to reconsider. Why older men are more vulnerable than ever. Younger men may tolerate the damage for a while. But for men over 60, the body has already slowed its hormonal output, circulation, and repair mechanisms. Which means every meal with inflammatory seed oils is like pouring water on a fading fire. Your testosterone drops faster. Your blood flow weakens. Your libido fades. Your erections soften. Your confidence erodes. And no one is telling you it's the food you thought was safe. What happens when you eliminate refined oils? Real life changes. Men who remove soybean and seed oils from their diet often report life-changing results within weeks. These include return of morning erections, increased libido and desire, firmer and more sustained performance, better mood and confidence, easier arousal and sensitivity, reduced belly fat and brain fog. Why does it happen so fast? Because removing inflammatory oils allows your body to finally do what it's designed to do: produce testosterone, pump blood, and feel pleasure. And this isn't just anecdotal, it's biochemical fact. Here's the good news. Not all fats are bad. In fact, certain fats are essential for male health after 60. Testosterone is made from cholesterol, meaning you need good fats to make hormones. Here are the top alternatives to toxic seed oils. Extra virgin olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats. Anti-inflammatory, shown to improve endothelial function and testosterone levels in men. Use for salad dressings, drizzling on veggies, low-heat cooking. Avocado oil, similar profile to olive oil. High smoke point for cooking. Use for stir-frying, grilling, baking. Coconut oil, in moderation. Contains MCTs, medium-chain triglycerides. Supports metabolic health and brain function. Use for high-heat cooking, adding to smoothies. Butter or GHEE, from grass-fed cows. Contains butyrate and CLA, shown to support testosterone. High in fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Use for eggs, sautéing vegetables, flavoring dishes. Egg yolks. Don't skip them. Egg yolks are rich in cholesterol, choline, and vitamin D, all vital for testosterone production. In addition to eliminating dangerous oils, adding the right nutrients can multiply your recovery. Here's your testosterone-friendly grocery list. Zinc-rich foods: oysters, pumpkin seeds, grass-fed beef, lamb, chickpeas. Zinc is essential for testosterone synthesis and sperm quality. Magnesium-rich foods: spinach, Swiss chard, dark chocolate, 85% or higher, almonds, black beans. Magnesium helps regulate cortisol, supports nerve function, and improves blood sugar control, all vital for male performance. Cholesterol-rich but healthy: whole eggs, liver, once a week. Full-fat cheese, no seed oils added. Sardines. Cholesterol is the raw material from which testosterone is made. Don't fear it, embrace it strategically. Nitric oxide boosters: beets, pomegranate, arugula, watermelon, garlic. These foods improve blood flow, helping you perform better physically and sexually. The 30-day, oil-free vitality reset plan. Want to know what to do starting today? Here's a step-by-step plan to reset your male system in 30 days by eliminating the silent food killer and restoring hormonal health. Week 1. Remove and replace. Read every food label for soybean oil, vegetable oil, or canola. Throw out or donate anything containing them. Restock your kitchen with olive oil, eggs, butter, nuts, avocado. Eat whole foods only: meats, veggies, fruits, seeds, tubers. Add 10 minutes of walking after each meal. Week 2. Reactivate hormones. Eat 3 to 4 eggs per day, with yolks. Add pumpkin seeds and spinach to lunch/dinner. Drink beet juice or eat beets 3x per week. Cut caffeine after 12 p.m. to support sleep and hormone release. Start a bedtime wind-down routine with no screens 1 hour before bed. Week 3. Circulation and strength. Do Kegels daily, 3 sets of 10 reps. Take cold showers or contrast therapy to stimulate circulation. Add dark chocolate and pomegranate to your snack routine. Begin resistance training 2x per week, light weights or body weight. Week 4. Reinforce and reflect. Track mood, desire, and morning arousal. Notice changes. Talk to your partner. Emotional reconnection equals hormonal shift. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Plan to continue or evolve your new routine. By the end of 30 days, you'll likely feel lighter, clearer, stronger, more alive, more like yourself. 5 dangerous myths about fats that are destroying men's health. One of the biggest reasons so many men over 60 consume the wrong oils is because of outdated advice. Here are 5 destructive myths that are still circulating, keeping men weak, inflamed, and hormonally depleted. Myth 1. Fat makes you fat. Reality. Healthy fats, like olive oil, avocado, and eggs, are essential for hormonal function and don't cause weight gain when paired with whole foods. What makes you fat? Refined carbs, sugar, and inflammatory oils. Myth 2. Cholesterol is bad for your heart. Reality. Your body needs cholesterol to produce testosterone, vitamin D, and bile acids for digestion. Low cholesterol equals low testosterone equals low performance. Heart disease is caused by oxidized LDL and inflammation, which refined oils directly cause. Myth 3. Seed oils are heart healthy. Reality. This myth was built on industry-funded studies. Seed oils oxidize under heat, leading to arterial damage and erectile dysfunction. Studies now show olive oil and saturated fats from whole food sources, not processed, are far healthier for the heart and for male vitality. Myth 4. Low-fat diets boost longevity. Reality. Low-fat diets lower testosterone, impair brain function, and increase depression in men. Longevity comes from nutrient density, blood sugar control, and muscle retention, not cutting healthy fat. Myth 5. Impotence is a natural part of aging. Reality. Impotence is common, but not natural or inevitable. When you remove harmful triggers and nourish the body, performance can return even at 70 or 80. 4 common mistakes that make the problem worse. Even if you've started to change your diet, you might still be making these silent mistakes that block your recovery. Mistake 1. Eating healthy packaged foods. Many low-carb, keto, and heart-healthy products are filled with hidden seed oils. Always read the ingredient label, even on products marketed for seniors. Mistake 2. Heating the wrong oils. Even healthy oils like olive oil can degrade under high heat. Never fry with flaxseed oil, sesame oil, or unrefined oils. Use avocado oil or ghee for high-heat cooking. Mistake 3. Relying only on pills. Many men pop a supplement and expect results, but ignore the root causes. Supplements are boosters, not builders. Without removing the toxic foods and restoring your base health, they do little. Mistake 4. Not including movement. Diet is foundational, but movement activates hormones, improves blood flow, and supports mood, all essential to male performance. Even walking 20 minutes daily or stretching in the morning can dramatically help. Now let's put everything together into a simple, repeatable daily routine designed for men over 60. Morning. The hormone kickstart. Drink 1 glass of warm water plus lemon plus sea salt. Step outside for 10 minutes of sunlight, shirtless if possible. Light movement, 10 squats, wall push-ups, walking. Breakfast. 3 whole eggs plus spinach sautéed in olive oil. Or Greek yogurt plus walnuts plus blueberries. Avoid caffeine before eating. Midday. Circulation plus focus. Lunch. Grilled protein, chicken, beef, or fish, plus leafy greens. Add olive oil, avocado, or nuts. Take a 10-minute post-meal walk. Do 1 to 2 sets of Kegels. 5-minute breathwork or gratitude journaling. Evening. Rebuild and reset. Dinner. Salmon plus broccoli plus beets or sweet potato. No sugar or seed oils. No screens 1 hour before bed. Magnesium supplement if needed. Sleep. Dark room, cool temperature, same schedule daily. This routine does more than restore physical performance. It rebuilds your confidence, your connection, and your control. And over time, it becomes your new identity. Not a diet, not a program, just who you are. Signs you're healing. What to expect when you remove seed oils. Once you eliminate inflammatory oils and replace them with testosterone-supportive fats, your body begins to reset. Here are the common stages of recovery reported by older men who take action. Week 1 to 2. Foundation. Morning energy starts returning. Less bloating or digestive discomfort. More restful sleep and less nighttime urination. Mental clarity improves. Libido begins to reawaken. Week 3 to 4. Activation. Stronger and more frequent erections. Increased desire for touch or intimacy. More endurance and confidence. Reduced joint pain or stiffness. Lower inflammation. Emotional balance and focus sharpen. Week 5 plus. Restoration. Full function performance in intimacy. Improved mood, even under stress. Stronger grip and muscle tone. Weight stabilizes or decreases, especially belly fat. Clear connection between food, mood, and masculinity. At-home progress checks. No labs needed. You don't need to wait for a doctor to tell you things are changing. Here are 3 at-home tests you can use to monitor your comeback. 1. Morning Firmness Tracker. Each morning, rate your firmness from 1 to 10. Keep a notebook by your bed and mark improvements. A rising score equals hormonal and circulatory improvement. 2. Sensitivity Response. Notice how quickly your body responds to mental or physical stimulation. A faster response and stronger sensation show your nervous system is coming back online. 3. Mood and Motivation Journal. Track your motivation levels, energy to move, or desire to initiate intimacy. Testosterone doesn't just affect the body, it fuels drive, initiative, and focus. These subtle wins add up to something much bigger than performance: identity recovery. Long-term mistakes to avoid, even after you feel better. Some men feel the first improvements and think, "I'm cured. I can go back to how I used to eat." But recovery isn't an event, it's a lifestyle change. Avoid these relapse traps. Going back to processed foods. Even cheating once in a while with seed oils reignites inflammation. Your body remembers. Ignoring stress. Stress raises cortisol, which suppresses testosterone and kills libido. Always make room for mental quiet, breathing, and joy. Letting movement slip. Even 10 minutes a day of movement helps regulate blood sugar, testosterone, and circulation. Staying active equals staying potent. Skipping intimacy. Connection is part of vitality. Touch, play, emotional closeness, they aren't optional. They are fuel for the male nervous system. The truth about male power after 60. You've been told that male strength fades with age. But here's what no one tells you. Aging doesn't kill your masculinity. Inflammation does. And inflammation is a choice, one you make with every bite. Every plate is a signal. Every oil, every ingredient, every food is either feeding your fire or slowly snuffing it out. And once you understand that, you're not a victim of decline anymore. You're a strategic builder, rebuilding your body and your life, one day at a time. This video isn't just about food. It's not just about oils. It's about what you've been feeling but couldn't explain. That frustration, that shame, that moment when you wonder, is this who I am now? But here's what I want you to hear. No, it's not. You are not finished. You are not invisible. You are not broken. You are waking up. Waking up to the idea that you deserve to feel strong again. You deserve to desire again. And yes, you deserve to perform again, with power and pride. If this video helped you, share it with someone you trust. Because too many men are suffering in silence, and one video can start a comeback. Subscribe to The Elder Way for more truth-telling content about senior vitality, natural health, and emotional strength. We're not just aging. We're evolving. And you're not alone anymore.